जजमेंट एक है, कोई तो उसकी तरतीब बना ले, इस तरह ना करें, इस तरह ना
some
करें.
division of work we've done. I was heard for the PTI, I was heard for Kawal Shazab, and I was heard at length. And a lot of what I had to submit has been the basis of the judgment.
वैसे जहाँ तक मुझे याद पड़ रहा है, इनिशियली मेन केस में आप पीटीआई की तरफ थे, लेकिन यू आर सपोर्टिंग एसआईसी. यस, यू आर सपोर्टिंग एसआईसी. आज एसआईसी इज सपोर्टिंग पीटीआई. वैसे ये
फर्स्ट स्टेज पे आप एट द टाइम ऑफ ग्रांट ऑफ लीव आप पेश की एसआईसी की तरफ से हुए.
जी मैं अर्ज करता हूँ.
ये सब आप रिव्यू की मुखालफत कर रहे हैं या हिमायत कर रहे हैं?
सर पार्टली आपकी जजमेंट की हिमायत कर रहे हैं.
नहीं, आपसे पूछ रहे हैं क्योंकि आपके बारे में
वो तो अंडर रिव्यू नहीं है.
आप सुन्नी इत्तेहाद को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं ना?
जी जी जी.
तो सुन्नी इत्तेहाद को तो 13 के 13 अफराद ने कहा कि यू आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड. टेक्निकली आपको तो सपोर्ट करना चाहिए रिव्यू को कि जनाब
सर अगर सपोर्ट कर रहे होते तो आई वुड हैव फाइल्ड अ रिव्यू. हमारा तरीकेकार वही है जो मोहब्बत में होता है कि जिस तरीके से भी जीत जाए कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, कभी कभार हार के भी जीत जाता है.
ये तो तजुर्बे की बात है, हम कुछ नहीं कह सकते.
नो नो, वी हैव नॉट चैलेंज्ड एंड आई विल एक्सप्लेन व्हाई.
और वैसे ख्याल तो ये था कि सबसे ज्यादा इफेक्टेड आप थे उस जजमेंट से. ख्याल था कि यू वुड फाइल ए रिव्यू. तो बहरहाल वो आपकी अपनी चॉइस है. तो
नहीं सर, हमें तो सबसे ज्यादा खुशी है.
चलिए, अच्छी
सबसे ज्यादा खुशी वो which I'll explain sir.
You fully support the judgment.
जी जी.
You are defending the judgment.
When I'll explain, I support two of the separate judgments. One by the majority, and I'll explain why I also support Justice Mandukhe's judgment. But I'll come to that.
वो तो relevant नहीं होगी. relevant
जी जी बिल्कुल relevant है, बिल्कुल relevant है. But I'll explain.
अच्छा, दूसरी बात ये कि अब SIC की जानिब से आप करेंगे.
Sir, I'm in 6 of the reviews. Hamid Khan.
I'm in 319 and I've also filed application.
तो इस चले किस तरह से पेश होना अभी.
Sir, let me see.
But there is no conflict between SIC
कॉन्फ्लिक्ट की बात नहीं है. देखिए ना, एक जजमेंट डिफेंड हो रही है, जो रिव्यू पिटीशन है मे बी मोर देन वन. और
let me submit, my lord. There are two submissions that I seek to make. In paragraph 117 of the majority judgment, it is 1 minute, sir. It is held that PTI was before us. So technically, I should have been issued notice as PTI. I don't know why I have not been issued notice. So because PTI was before the court,
है ना, हम सुन, लेकिन कोई तरतीब बना ले.
जी ठीक है, इनके बाद मैं करूंगा सर. I'll make a consolidated submission on behalf of PTI and SIC.
वो आपका अपना,
and it's a question of law primarily that I have to address.
जी, I'm in CRP 1264 of 2024. ये थोड़ी सी डिफरेंट है इस लिहाज से कि इसमें जो जजमेंट है उसकी क्लैरिफिकेशन ECP ने सीख की थी. वो क्लैरिफिकेशन मेजॉरिटी जजेस ने 12 उसके अगेंस्ट इन्होंने उस क्लैरिफिकेशन अगेंस्ट ये पिटीशन इन्होंने फाइल की है. इसमें एक और पॉइंट है जो कि अभी राय साहब ने लिया. इसमें तो मेंशन है कि इसमें नोटिस हुआ था PTI सबमिटेड द रिप्लाई. इट वाज, आई थिंक, इनको चाहिए था कि PTI को रिस्पोंडेंट बनाते. डिलिबरेटली इन्होंने नहीं बनाया. अगर आप ऑर्डर देखेंगे,
वो तो देखेंगे कि अगर मेन केस में PTI पार्टी बन चुकी है फिर तो ठीक है. अगर मेन केस में नहीं, फिर कैसे नोटिस?
जब क्लैरिफिकेशन सीख की उन्होंने PTI को बुलाया कि आप बताइए, तो उन्होंने सबमिट की सारी
मेरिट्स की. नहीं, अब इस तरह है कि फैसल मेन करेंगे.
जी जी.
जो बाकी पॉइंट है राजा साहब और आप जो है
वेरी ग्रेटफुल.
ताकि एक चीज
वेरी ग्रेटफुल, वेरी ग्रेशियस ऑफ योर लॉर्डशिप.
जी, I am also for respondent number one in one of the CRP. I will by and large adopt Mr. Faisal Siddiqui's argument, but I may make some additional points.
Not from Lahore. Not from Lahore. चले, ठीक हो गया. वो देख लें.
My lord, this is an unusual review petition because, of course, of the change constitutional structure as well as your lordship's order through which our objections were rejected, that it is rare that the majority of the judges on the bench are judges who had not heard the main case. 6 of your lordships out of 11 did not hear the main case. So that proposes a difficulty.
Therefore, we want to hear you
Yes.
in detail.
Yes, yes.
What were the circumstances?
Yes, yes. So that is what I was submitting, that I have to make some submissions in detail so that all your lordships are well informed in terms of how this judgment came to be delivered. Now, my lord, the central issue, my lord, which I think your lordships would have understood up till now, is this question of reserve seats. These so-called special seats, reserve seats in relation to women as well as non-Muslims, which are contemplated under Article 51, Sub-Article 6, Sub-Article D and E, as far as the National Assembly is concerned, and Article 106, Sub-Article 3, Sub-Article C, as far as the provincial assemblies are concerned. So it's about the allotment of these reserve seats. Now, the question before the original proceedings, when the appeal was heard, was not about all the reserve seats. They were about only a certain portion of the reserve seats, because these reserve seats are allotted in terms of proportionate representation. So depending upon how many seats you have won and secured in Parliament, in proportion to that, you get your reserve seats. So the parties which were in Parliament had got their reserve seats. But of course, there were a huge number of independents who had joined a political party called the SIC, Sunni Ittihad Council. And the question was whether in relation to the independents which had joined SIC, what happens to the reserve seats in relation to that? The proportionate relation to that. Whether there were only 3-4 possibilities. The first possibility is that those reserve seats, which was quite a chunk, over 70, goes to the SIC because independents had joined SIC and the Election Commission of Pakistan had recognized SIC as a parliamentary party. That was the first possibility. The second possibility was that these so-called leftover reserve seats, if they don't go to SIC, they are distributed among the other parties. So they get seats more than their proportionate representation. The third option was to keep them vacant, which is what one of the dissenting judges decided in the lower forum. The fourth option was which the judgment under review came up with, as well as at least 11 of the 13 judges. 11